Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Nokia 125 dual SIM feature phone. There is an image of this feature phone right on top. This is a retro design feature phone. It comes with a numpad, as you can see. We have some information on the box itself. So I will tell you what they are. This particular phone comes with a 2.4-inch QVGA display. It also has a talk time of 19.4 hours and a standby time of 23.4 days. It also has wireless FM radio and a torch, and it also comes with a micro USB connector. That's more or less all the information on this box. Let's open this and see what's inside. So these are the components of the box. First up, we have a quick guide for the Nokia 125. This you should read at least once. You will learn how to set up, how to charge the battery, how to make a call, etc, etc. Everything that you need to know about this phone you will find in this particular quick guide document. This is the micro USB connector / charger for this particular phone. There you can see this comes attached with a charging adapter. This is the removable rechargeable battery. This is a 120 mAh BL5C battery for this particular phone. I will show you how to insert this particular battery to this phone and how to set it up as well. And finally, this is the Nokia 125 dual SIM feature phone. This is a black colored dual SIM feature phone. Okay, notice that this is the 2.4-inch QVGA display. It's nearly half the phone. And over here we have the numpad. This is a retro design feature phone. This does not have the quality of a smartphone that you get in a smartphone. This also comes with this main button at the center along with directional buttons, and these buttons over here, especially the call cancel button over here, is the most important button. I'll show you how and why. There's also a flash over here. Let's insert this battery and turn it on. I will show you how that's done. So inserting the battery is pretty simple. I just have to make sure that these three metallic points are in contact with these three metallic points over here. So it's that simple. I'm going to insert the battery. I'm going to close the cover over here. And now to start these phones, you have to press and hold the call cancel button. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to press the call cancel button. There you go. You see the Nokia logo right on display. Should be here. And there's the tone. And now we have turned on this phone. In another video, I will show you how to set it up. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Nokia 125 dual SIM feature phone. Thank you for watching.